Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this quick and basic video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate that you can send videos on Discord. So first of all, open the perhaps dialog or the channel server of where you would like to send your video to. It's pretty much the same all across various messaging options that Discord offers. So should it be private messages or server channels, as I've mentioned, they will be somewhat the same. So start typing the message, then tap at this plus sign to your left, choose the view all option, and select the video that you wanted to send from your gallery. Tap choose, wait for the video to get compressed, and then hit the send button. And as you can see, the video was successfully sent. Let me quickly prove that the direct messages will also allow you to do that in an absolutely identical way. So tap plus, select the video, hit send. Wait for the video to get compressed and uploaded, and here you'll have it. Now it can be opened and seen. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.